If you want to upload files in Grammarly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to upload a document into Grammarly so you can start checking grammar, spelling, clarity, and tone right away. This is a great feature if you already have a file written in Word, Google Docs, or another format and you want Grammarly to review it for you. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to app.grammarly.com. This will take you to the Grammarly editor where you can work with your documents online. Once the page loads, sign into your Grammarly account if you're not already logged in. After that, look for the Docs icon. It usually looks like a document folder, and this is where Grammarly keeps your files and writing projects. Now click on Docs to open your document dashboard. From here, you'll see the option to upload a file. Go ahead and click Upload. Grammarly will then ask you to choose a file from your device. This is the step where you can select the document you want to review. It could be a school paper, business document, blog draft, article, or any other text file you want Grammarly to help improve. After you click Upload, a file picker window will open. Browse through your computer, find the file you want, and select it. Then click Open or Choose, depending on your device. Once you do that, Grammarly will begin processing the file. This usually only takes a few moments, and then your document will open inside the Grammarly editor. As soon as the upload is complete, Grammarly will start showing suggestions immediately. You'll be able to review corrections for grammar, punctuation, spelling, sentence structure, and more. You can click through the suggestions one by one and decide whether to accept or ignore them. This makes it easy to clean up your writing before you share, submit, or publish it. If you have multiple files, you can repeat the same process for each one. Just go back to Docs, click Upload again, and select the next file. That way you can keep all of your writing organized in one place while using Grammarly to improve each document efficiently. A quick tip, if your file is already finished and you just want a fast review, uploading it into Grammarly is much easier than copying and pasting everything manually. It keeps the original formatting more intact and saves you time. It's one of the best ways to use Grammarly if you work with documents regularly. So to recap, go to app.grammarly.com, open Docs, click Upload, choose your file, and let Grammarly process it. After that, you can start reviewing the suggestions right away. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.